How to fix right to left text directions in Word. So there's nothing more confusing than typing in Microsoft Word and suddenly realizing your cursor is stuck on the right side of the screen. Your periods and questions marks are jumping to the wrong side of the sentence. So this isn't a text alignment issue. Your document's layout direction is got flipped. So I'll show you how to instantly snap your text direction back to normal. So before you click around in the menus, 90% of the time, this happens because of an accidental keystroke shortcut. Word has a built-in toggle that flips your entire typing orientation. To fix this, guys, you just need to go ahead and press on Ctrl-A to highlight everything inside your document, and then just look at your keyboard and press Ctrl plus left shift. And the second you hit it, your text layout, cursor positioning, and punctuation marks will instantly snap back to the left side of the screen. If you ever actually want to type right to left for languages like Arabic or something, the shortcut is Ctrl plus right shift. And if the keyboard shortcut doesn't work, you can force the change using the ribbon layout interface. So for that, go to the Home tab right here in the top ribbon. After that, look for the two small icons displaying a paragraph symbol next to a left or right arrow. And you just click the left to right text direction button to fix your text. Now, if those two arrows are completely missing from your paragraph panel, it means Word has hidden them because an RTL language isn't installed. To force them to appear, go to File, go to Options, click on Language. Under the Office Authoring Languages section, click Add a Language. Select Arabic or Hebrew and click Add. You don't need to change your display settings, just having it in the system database forces the direction buttons to show up on that Home tab. Enjoy, guys. If this helped, like and subscribe.